Unveiling the secret superfood hemp seeds. In the realm of health and wellness, a hidden gem has been silently making waves, capturing the attention of nutritionists and health-conscious individuals alike. This secret superfood? Hemp seeds. Packed with an impressive nutritional profile, these tiny seeds are a powerhouse of vitamins, minerals, essential fatty acids, and protein. However, unlocking the full potential of hemp seeds' nutritional benefits hinges on one critical factor: optimal storage. That's where the revolutionary solution of burp lids comes into play, ensuring your hemp seeds retain their freshness and nutritional integrity longer than ever before. A nutritional powerhouse. Uncovered hemp seeds are not just any ordinary seeds. They are a treasure trove of health benefits, rich in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids in a ratio that promotes heart health. These seeds also boast a complete protein profile containing all 9 essential amino acids that the body cannot produce on its own. Add to that a generous helping of dietary fiber, vitamins E and B, magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium, and you've got a superfood that's hard to beat. But the benefits don't stop there. Hemp seeds are also known for their anti-inflammatory properties, ability to improve skin conditions, and support for digestive health. With such a comprehensive array of health benefits, it's no wonder that hemp seeds have been hailed as a superfood. The challenge of preservation. Despite their robust nutritional profile, hemp seeds are delicate, with their essential fatty acids prone to oxidation when exposed to air, light, and heat. This sensitivity can lead to a loss of nutritional value and a rancid taste, diminishing the health benefits that hemp seeds can offer. Therefore, proper storage solutions are not just recommended, they are essential. Innovative storage with burp lids. Enter the innovative solution of burp lids, the game changer in the world of superfood storage. Designed to address the specific challenges of preserving hemp seeds, these lids create an optimal storage environment that significantly extends freshness and maintains nutritional value. How do they work? Burp lids utilize a unique oxygen extraction mechanism to burp the air out of the container, creating a vacuum seal that minimizes exposure to oxygen. This process drastically reduces the rate of oxidation, preserving the delicate balance of essential fatty acids, proteins, and vitamins in hemp seeds. Furthermore, burp lids are equipped with waterless airlock valve technology, which allows any gas buildup to escape without letting air in. This feature is particularly beneficial for hemp seeds, ensuring that their freshness and nutritional content are preserved for longer periods. Maximizing nutritional benefit with optimal storage. By incorporating burp lids into your hemp seed storage regimen, you're not just extending the shelf life of this superfood, you're ensuring that every spoonful retains its maximum nutritional benefit. Whether you're sprinkling hemp seeds over your morning yogurt, blending them into smoothies, or incorporating them into your baking, burp lids make sure that the health benefits of hemp seeds are always at their peak. Take action for your health. Don't let the nutritional benefits of hemp seeds go to waste through improper storage. Embrace the future of superfood preservation with burp lids and unlock the full potential of hemp seeds in your diet. Visit our website to discover how burp lids can transform your health and wellness journey, ensuring that your hemp seeds remain a nutritional powerhouse, ready to support your health goals. Join the revolution in superfood storage. Optimize your hemp seeds' freshness and nutritional value with burp lids today, and take a significant step towards a healthier tomorrow. Craft your health, cultivate your life. Dawn Hatfield.